Very common question that I typically get is, does our condo association have to file tax returns? Yes, your association should have an EIN or tax ID. Right? And that is like a social security number, but for businesses. Anytime the city of Boston, federal, everybody wants to make sure that you're doing business as such. If your association does not have one, it should, or it does, and you're just unaware of it. So please check and make sure that you know that. We actually have taken over associations with the property manager, never even knew that you had to file tax returns. Let me talk about tax returns for a second. What is the form that you have to file? It's called the L1120H. Exciting stuff. At the end of the day, it's a very simple form. And again, there isn't too many numbers, but you do want to have your bookkeeper go through all your accounts, make sure that all the accounts are reconciled. You might have an operating account, a reserve account. You might have multiple accounts. Every single one of those accounts needs to be reconciled to make sure that there's nothing funky going on. From the bookkeeper, it then goes to a CPA, and that CPA is going to compute everything, put everything on this form to be able to review. Unlike personal tax returns, there isn't a lot of money, a lot of budgets typically will have very bare minimum. Some associations will even lose money. That's not the goal of it. But at the end of the day, there shouldn't be too much money that needs to be filed with it. But you do want to make sure that you're filed.